Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford C-Max, guys. It could be any generation, but we'll be demonstrating on generation from year 2012 to year 2019. And if you have front wheel noise, grinding, humming noise coming from the front, stay with us. We'll explain the top reasons that can cause that, guys. And we'll explain, let's say, if you're just cruising down the highway or you hear that noise when you apply the brakes, all that will be covered in this video today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 2 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Another thing, if you want to save quite a bit of money on car parts, tools, anything for your car, guys, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So let's go ahead and explain what we have here, guys. This specifically, it's 2013 Ford C-Max hybrid, but it doesn't matter if it's hybrid or not. If you guys are driving at at lower speeds and you don't hear almost any noise, but you start hearing that noise when you're going at higher speeds, guys, okay, it could be a few things. Number one, guys, okay, I'll recommend, okay, to see if it's a wheel bearing. We have a special video that explains how to tell which wheel bearing is bad, left or right, but practically, guys, okay, if you're driving, okay, down the road, you have to be really safe. Do it on a closed course if you can. Drive at some speed and don't do anything stupid. But if you just turn slowly a little bit left, right, or if you're going through mountain passes and you notice that turning one direction or the other, the wheel noise is gone, what can easily cause that, guys? Wheel bearing. Wheel bearing can easily cause that. It will be noisier at higher speeds, and eventually when the wheel bearing starts going out more, it wears out more, it will get noisy at lower speeds, maybe like at 40, 50 miles per hour as well. Another thing, if the noise is consistent all the time, doesn't matter, okay, if you turn left or right, you need to inspect your tires and wheels. Make sure you don't have high and low spots. This one is a great tire, check it out, okay? This is the front tire, but we had exactly the same problem, okay? That actually was a rear tire, and now this is the, okay, this right here was a front tire that we moved to the rear until we get a new one. And you can see how the tire, guys, okay, is practically uneven. If you put your hand, you have low and high spots. It's hard for me to show you on the camera, but you can see that piece sticking out more than this one. And these, guys, okay, can be caused by multiple things: defective tire, alignment, having the tires too low. Many things can affect that, but ours is defective tire, guys. That tire, okay, that tire wear, okay, is causing quite a bit of humming noise, guys. So if you have a humming noise and it doesn't change with changing direction of the steering wheel, it's very likely you have a bad tire. In some cases, okay, it could be the rotors as well if they're wrapped, and when you apply the brake pedal, when you press the brake pedal at higher speeds and you feel vibrations, it could be a wrapped rotor. In some cases that can create noise. We haven't seen that happen quite often, but we had it happen on one car. So if you guys apply the brake pedal and hear grinding noise, it's very likely that your brake pads need to be replaced. They're getting low, or they're getting really old and hard, guys, as well. That can happen as well. Or you may get sometimes dirt, sand stuck between the brake pad and the rotor, and that can cause that grinding noise as well. Those are some of the most common things. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.